Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. Today I thought I'd give you some pronunciation tips about the new book that we're releasing this month. And so the title is Ngā Atua Māori. So ngā, the sound ngā, my tongue is actually kind of back here. Ngā, it's different to the sound nā with just the N. So it's ngā because this G has to be pronounced. Ngā. And then this is the word for God, one of the words for God. So it's atua, atua, atua. And it's not atua because there isn't a macron over the A. For example, in our book about shapes, ngā āhua, that has got a macron. So that sound is āhua, but this one is atua. Ngā atua. Ngā atua, and then Māori, 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 Ngā Atua Māori. And that's how to pronounce the title of our new book. Ka kite.